Hi everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. First, all you have to do is to launch the application. Go to the TikTok app. As you scroll here, you can probably see that there is no CapCut template, so you cannot edit a video and photo without a CapCut template. Now, what you're going to do is to go to the Play Store and kindly check if your TikTok is updated or not. So as you can see, your TikTok is updated. Now click open. All you have to do now is to go to the search bar and kindly search CapCut template. So once you click that one, you can see a lot of people using CapCut template. Now all you have to do is to pick one, scroll down to see more. Let's just say you want to try this one. Okay. Now all you have to do is to click use template in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.